So Gogh App tutorial. So here is a new trendy app called Gogh. So you focus with your avatar. This is the app. This is a productivity app, and it's quite fun. It's a Japanese app built in Japan. And if you struggle with productivity, if you struggle with focus, if you wanna find a fun app to do it, so you're not bored. So this is a really cool app. So the idea is this is kind of like your virtual 3D avatar with which you can just do your homework, your work, and not feel lonely, for example. So if you can just open it up, here you can see how it loads. By the way, for a lot of people here, the app is stuck. Usually there is a weird glitch, especially for older phones. But if you have a newer iPhone 14 or later, it should be working fine. So now here's how it looks like. I already created an account, and you just create your avatar. So you just completely can customize it like in other apps like Zapato and some other 3D avatar apps. And the idea is that you can just, for example, in a nutshell, you can, for example, have timer or have Pomodoro technique, and then you just put your avatar like that, and then it appears kind of in this kind of lock screen mode, and then you can just kind of start in with it. So then you can just put your phone on a little stand near you on your desk, and then you're kind of starting like that. So effectively it's just basically a nicely designed lock screen like that. So that's just basically what it is. So when you're just using it, you have this kind of locked screen in this mode. So yeah, something like that. And so there you have it. Yeah, but then there are a lot of things you can manage your avatar. You can like rotate it. You can change the pose. You can change the little sleeping tapir, and then also you have here you can customize. You can add your own images, posters. You can customize everything about this room. And then in top right there are like different types of music which you can select. So different type of ambient sound which you can add, like fire, birds, breeze, all kinds of things. Different type of music which you can add. If you like some nice Japan lo-fi records, then you can customize sound from your avatar. So you just have all of these details. Then you can select sunny or rainy. Then also you can basically you can add the Pomodoro technique here. And then you also have a lot of settings, a lot of graphics and controls. Then also you can just do a lot of customizations and add different storage to your room and things like that. And then there are also like different rooms which you can join with your friends. So here are some like public spaces where you can just go in and have fun with your friends, with avatars of your friends. So this is also quite fun. So yeah, then you just have it like that. And that's basically the idea in here. So yeah, so there you have it. That's the app. So try it out and have fun.